Oh. Oh, yes. Yes, dude. Yes. Yes. Come on, baby. Come on. Yes, bro. Ooh. 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 Dude. Oh. What? Yep. Ooh. Ooh, hook came off. Oh, big fish. Big fish. Oh, no way, dude. It's a gator. What? Oh, dude. Oh. 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 What is up, guys? We are back with another video, and in this video we are going to be fishing with the world's cheapest Baitcaster. I'm going to put this thing up to the ultimate test. This is going to be the durability test of the $6 Baitcaster from AliExpress. Let's get it. Peace. All right, guys, this is going to be the unboxing of it too. This is how it came to my doorstep. Okay, where's the rest of the box at? What the heck? Made in China. What's the name of this thing? Is there even a name on it or no? Gear Ration. Gear Ration 727. I think they meant to say gear ratio. Gear Ration. It's like rattling around right now. Wait a minute, let's see if it's actually... No way. Dude, look at how it came. It's already wobbling. I haven't got a line on there and the thing's already about to come apart. All right, well, I'm pairing it up with my favorite Defender rod. Very nice, super nice rod. We know the rod's not gonna be the issue. All right, we'll go just like that. Oh, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Big bass, nice size bass. Yes, yes, dude. Let's go, dude. Nice size largemouth bass. Hook's gonna pop right out, just like that. I'm not gonna get a weight on her. Just want to put her back in there. Say every bit of 3 or 4 pounds. All right, there you go. Oh, oh, you see that rod go down? What the heck, dude? That was a pretty cool fight. Look at this guy. Not a big guy, but dude, he definitely put up a fight. I was reeling in and the whole rod went dude. All right, peace. Thank you, man. Peace. I want to kind of go out there. It might be camera shy, so I'm going to turn the camera off, see if we can get something. Oh my god! No way, 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 no way. Come on, come on. Dude. Fat bass, fat bass, fat bass, fat bass right here. Fat bass. That is a tank. That is a freaking tank, dude. Oh. Oh, yes. Yes, dude. Yes. Yes. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes. On the $6 reel. Don't break off. Don't break off. Oh my gosh. Dude, that's a freaking tank. There's a freaking tank. This thing is the beast, dude. Yes, dude. Yes, bro. What in the world? Bro. Yes. Yes, dude. Look at the size of this bass, bro. Yes, dude, let's freaking go. Okay. There you go. There you go. Swam right off. Ooh. 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 Oh, crap. Dang, dude, it came off. Well, here you go. Here you go, right here, right here, right here, right here. Where you go? Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. I think that's the big one again. Dude, oh, what? Oh, sweet. Dude. I caught it again a second time. Sweet, dude. Look at that. There you go. Swam right off. That was insane. All right. This thing caught a 6-pounder twice. It didn't break. Shout out to Favorite Defender too, guys. They really make durable rods. If you can battle up against, there you go. Yep. 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 Look at this. Yep. Look at this. Look at this. Yep. 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 That guy put up a fight. Holy moly. There you go. There you go. Holy moly. Did you see that? He just smoked that shiner right in front of my very eyes. He was right there and then boom. Alright. Got a live one out there. One that's super lively. Ooh, ooh. Yep. 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 Ooh. Ooh, hook came off. Hook came off. Oh, man. Oh, crap. That was actually my fear. All right, guys, so we're at another spot right now. Oh, big fish. Big fish. Oh, dude. 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 Holy crap. Dude, the whole entire rod's like bowing. Well, I guess this is a good durability test for this thing. Holy moly, dude. Look. The whole entire rod is... Oh, no way, dude. It's a gator. What? What the freaking heck, dude? All right, well, let's test the durability of this thing, I guess. Holy moly. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, dude, he's trying to do the death spiral. What? Holy crap, dude. Oh, oh, favorite defender rod. Hold it up. Hold it up. Let's go, bro. Let's freaking go. Dude. Oh, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh, fudge, dude. Holy crap. Look at the, oh. All right, guys, that's gonna about wrap it up for today. This has been such an insane day of fishing, guys. Durability wise, obviously, this thing freaking holds up pretty darn good if you ask me. As always, make sure y'all are liking these videos, commenting on the videos, subscribe to the channel, man. Give the video a like, guys, after all that. Give the video a like, sub to the channel. Y'all know the deal. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.